Alright, I've been trying to get this to duplicate, and it always sneaks up on me. I'm like, damn it, I don't have video ready. I have a weird misfire. So let's see if it does it. I'm coming under load here. We're about 78,000 pounds gross. Watch the tack. No, and of course it didn't do it. I swear every time I pull the camera out, it won't. There's another hill ahead. I'll start this over, see if it does it. And of course, the second I hit the pause button, started doing it, so I think it'll do it again this go around. So I don't know if it's a fuel thing. There, it's starting. I don't know if you can hear it, but the truck's vibrating. And look at my tack. So the whole truck shakes, and it only does it at about this RPM under load. I just changed both fuel filters. That didn't stop it.